Come, let us spill this already spilled tea and go on the entertainment streets. Guys, have you all heard the fate of Jackie Phamotse? Hey, ngiyabuza, have you all heard the fate of Jackie Phamotse? All right, it reads as follows. By Khumalo News, Jackie Phamotse sentenced to house arrest. I don't take house arrest seriously, but girl has been sentenced to house arrest, right? Phamotse has been placed under house arrest for 2 years for her crimes and given a fine of 30,000 or 10 months in prison. According to Jackie Phamotse and the things that she always says on social media, girl looks like she's not broke, she's got money. Or even if she doesn't have money, her parents do have money. So 30,000 would be nothing to her if how she speaks is really what's in the bank account, right? Khumalo continues to say she'll also have to do 16 hours of community service a month and participate in various programs. Okay, this is good because it's gonna give her a nice book. In her judgment, Magistrate S. Naidu found Phamotse had shown no remorse but believed imprisonment would not be appropriate. Guysini, this is a victory not only for Basetsana Khumalo, not only for Romeo Khumalo, also for Owamie. I know you guys don't get it. It's also a victory for Owamie because Owamie and Jackie have beef, right? And there was an extent where Jackie even made a video, not in so many words, threatening Owamie and telling her, hey, I know people that can make you vanish should there be a need. Like, to an extent, girl went and made a protection order against Jackie Phamotse. So, do you think that house arrest is enough for Jackie Phamotse, or should she go to actual prison? This is your girl. Please do like, share, and subscribe.